Out here by Jolla Cove on Friday. A couple seals playing in the water. Kind of overcast, but still very comfortable. Pacific Ocean. Not really crashing against the rocks, but moving against the rocks. A couple of swimmers out here in the water, sharing the water with seals. There's more seals going, meeting up with the other two. What did? And the people who live around here probably see this every day. Ho hum, a couple seals swimming around. But for me, it's cool. Fishing. Jolla behind us. Girls were scraping their initials or names into the rock. There's the cove over there behind Sherry with a bunch of kayakers coming in, probably on one of the tours. A whole stream of them. La Jolla Shores is off in the distance there, the beach. The buoys that mark where the distance swimmers swim out to and back. You can see a number of them in the water. The closest buoy is a quarter mile out. The farthest one is a half mile out. There's white buoys on either side that mark the lanes for them to swim in, and there's no boats or other vehicles allowed. The seals can swim wherever they want, and they do.